Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs. I'm very excited today. First of all, let me present you my good friend Kelvin Pimont.
Hey guys.
If you follow me on YouTube, you know I talk about him all the time. He is the guy that's been teaching me Photoshop for 15 years. He is the guy that got me into photography 13 years ago. We've worked together for many years, and he's been working on a very nice project that is coming to the end, which I wanted you guys to hear about.
So this product is about branding. And basically, I'm sure you've seen some other photographers have a really cool logo that's very unique, and they sign their photos with it. They have it on their business cards or their letterhead or on their website. And it's very unique, and it really represents them. So what we did was we made a two-part product. The first part is I'm going to teach you in this tutorial how to make your signature into a logo. So it shows you how to scan it and trace it, different effects to make it look really cool, and then add maybe a little tagline if you need it, like Serge Ramelli photography, or if you do wedding photos, wedding photographer, or something like that. And so to convert your signature into a logo and then be able to use that, whether it's, like I said, business cards, letterhead, website, and importantly, into Lightroom, so that it's automatically watermarked when you export your photos.
Yeah, I want to say something on that. I tried to just scan my signature and have it like as a PNG, in Photoshop. It doesn't work at all. The way he does it, he recreates a signature using Illustrator, and it's looking so much more professional. In fact, I just signed a contract with Samsung where I gave about 150 photos, which is going to be on TV, and I wanted my logo to be there. So he helped me to do that. So it's very important when you do this type of deals. Also, one thing you should know, Kelvin is a master at logo. That's what he used to do back in Paris. He has worked with some of the biggest brands, including two brands that we're not at the liberty to say who it is. But if you've had a coffee, an espresso over the last 10 years, there's a good chance you've seen his logo. The guy is a real expert. I just want to establish that.
Thank you. So the second part is over the last, it's been quite a while, but we've been working to make a bunch of templates. So we made 150 different logos. We wanted to cover every aspect. Some are more masculine, some are more feminine, some are more conservative, some are more wild. And there's one for every single type. And in this course, we'll teach you how to take the template and make it your own. Because you don't want to have the same logo as somebody else. So you tweak it a little bit, and then how to convert that logo into something usable in Lightroom, in Photoshop, in other applications to make your business cards and whatnot, including your website.
This is going to be an awesome product. You will get a special price, a special release price. The link is under this video. Also, you gotta check out Kelvin's YouTube channel. He's got a booming YouTube channel. He's got almost almost 200,000 subscribers now, mostly on Photoshop and on design. He is my master of design in Photoshop. You should totally subscribe. Check out the link to subscribe to his channel, and I will see you guys in another video. Check out this product, and bye-bye, Kelvin.
Ciao.